Hello everybody, welcome to Charisma. Today I'm using my last video's craft to make an enhanced one. If you remember, we learned how to make this cute tree of life craft. Please check it out if you have not. So for this project, I have taken a metal ring and have wrapped the tree of life inside the ring. It gives me the shape of a crescent moon, so the plan is to make it into a crescent moon dream catcher. So grab some yarn and get ready. Take one end of the yarn and tie it to the point where the tree of life meets the ring. Put some clear nail paint on the knot to secure it. To weave, hold the yarn in your left hand and pass the needle under the ring to make a knot. Repeat it all around the ring till you reach the other end. Keep in mind to space knots equally to have an even look. Once you have reached the end, make a knot catching the inner ring. And then trace backward along the bigger ring. Catch the yarn to make the knot till you reach the other end. And at the end, always catch the inner ring and then trace back. Keep weaving like this along the bigger ring. You have to follow the exact same technique until you are done with weaving. Put some knots and some nail paint to secure it. Once the nail paint is dried, cut it short. This is how it looks till now. All we need is to add some tassels and feathers to it. I'm using this bead garland as tassels this time. I have few feathers. I'm cutting the head off so that I'll be able to glue it to the beads. Using hot glue, I'm attaching the feather to the bead tassel. Don't forget to let it dry for some time. Once the feathers are dried, next is to attach the bead tassel to the ring. Again, using the hot glue, we are going to attach it. Let it dry completely before handling. And the new dream catcher is ready. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and share with your family and friends. Comment me what more you want to see from me next time. Till then, take care of yourself and have a blessed slumber. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Bye bye.